Well, folks, it took a little while. Got it done. Quite a snowfall, and it drifted up right in front of the door, of course, like that. I got it done. Got stuck a couple times down the driveway, out in the ditch there. It's interesting, but hey, we got a winch. That works. Winched her out and continue on. So yeah, looking good. Another job left to do now is clean up the patio. And it's days like this you wonder, what did I build a patio this big for? You know, I created more work for myself. I remember now. I can imagine the summer days out here now, sitting back with a drink. That's what it's going to be. Anyway, next job is to clean this off. Get a path to the door at least, and get some weight off that patio for sure. Anyway, folks, it's been a busy morning. I haven't even thought about snares yet. I may walk up this afternoon. Guaranteed they're all buried in, so I'll go up and dig them out and see if there's any sign. I said better be day go looking will be tomorrow. Rabbits will probably get around again tonight and you see where they are. And my plan is to build a few more pens. I think I got them trained with the homemade pens to go to the snare and decide, nah, not going in there. So I'm gonna ramp up the game a little bit and build some natural pens tomorrow and Thursday and Friday or wherever. Anyway, folks, driveway's done. Gotta go in now and get cleaned up. And I got another good scarf on the go for tonight. It's seafood night at the cabin. Stay tuned, folks. Well, folks, that job is done. It's cleaned off. This is good enough for now. Still a bit of ice on it, but that's fine. Got her done. Got the driveway done. Everything cleaned up. Ready for the next one. Morning, folks. It's Tuesday at the cabin. Spending my week out here, enjoying my time off. We had a bunch of snow last night, 20-25 centimeters of snow, and it was everywhere. Lots of blowing and drifts everywhere, and it was light snow, so that's good. So I spent most of the morning, or all the morning now, out cleaning that up. Got the driveway cleared up. And then shoveled off the patio. You can see the patio right there. We got it all shoveled off, and looks good. So I don't think I'm going to bother to go up check the snares today. I know they're all snowed in. You can easily tell with all the snow that we've had. So I'm going to give it another night. If I happen to get something last night and it's covered up with snow, it'll be fine tomorrow. So I'll check my snares first thing tomorrow morning, and we'll be able to see overnight now where the rabbits are coming back to. And the plan is to go and build some more pens up there in the woods, some natural pens. I think I got the rabbits trained on these, and they're wary of the homemade pens. So I'm going to go back to natural tops and border in an area and use some birch tips and stuff like that, like traditional rabbit garden that people use. So we'll get at that tomorrow and take you along for that. And then I plan to do a cook-up tomorrow. So we'll see. But today, I'm calling it the Seafood Day at the Cabin. Got a wonderful supper planned, and I'll give you the details on that later on. So thanks for watching, folks, and catch you later on. So folks, I'm calling this Seafood Night at the Cabin. And basically what I have here is I have some bacon wrapped scallops, a couple bacon wrapped shrimp, because I had more bacon than I had scallops, some regular shrimp, and just to throw a little bit interesting, something different in there, is some pickled salted capelin, dried capelin. So this is going to be seafood supper tonight for me at the cabin. I'm going to put this in the oven and cook it up, and when it's ready, I'll plate it up for you. Going to be some good, folks. Some capelin, folks. Scallops. Capelin there. Top it off, I got some seafood sauce. Of course, a little beverage. Wash it all down. Voila. Thanks for watching, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.